Hello everybody, it's Jonathan bringing you another sneaker unboxing. As you read by the title, you know what these are. Sorry I took a little bit of time away. I have had these, I want to say, since Friday. Christmas was yesterday, the 25th. So since like the 22nd or 23rd, I got them delivered. So here they are. I really love the box on these. I'm sure a lot of you guys, feel the same way. You already know my size. Been getting lucky on these hits. As all of y'all may know, the only difference on these pairs and just the regular attacks is the swoosh and that Cactus jack on the back, which means everything to the fans. Let me take the other one off for y'all. I got these for retail. I believe they retailed for $160 plus tax. No, I mean $120 plus tax. Sorry. Something like that. I've been buying a lot of shoes lately, so I'll be getting a mix-up, but yeah. You can see I'll put them side by side for y'all. The tongue has the same little checkerboard design as the box does, which is awesome. It just gives a little bit of a pop on the shoe. These are a casual shoe. It's not like a Travis Scott that costs like over $300. Yes, they're going around double of retail price. They're between $200 to $250 depending on your size. But still, like, if you want something different, something that stands out, and you want to be in that hype culture, this is a pair for you to pick up and grab. Give me 1 second. These are my first pair of Nike Attacks. I know this is like a classic style shoe with history behind it. I don't know if Nike was doing, like a promo with Travis Scott arguing. I know y'all seen it all over social media. But super nice shoe overall. Very simple, easy to match with. Did you guys cop? And how was y'all Christmas? Was it good? Anyways, thank you for tuning in. This was just a quick sneaker unboxing, showing y'all my latest cop. Cheers and happy holidays to all of you guys.